Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it is not taken. You can sit here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
It is very nice here today.
Yes, it is. The weather is beautiful.
My name is Tom. What is your name?
My name is Emma. Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. That is a beautiful name.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here sometimes. I like this cafe.
I like this cafe too. The coffee is very good.
Yes, the coffee is very good here. Do you live near here?
Yes, I live near here. I live about 10 minutes away.
Oh, that is close. I live about 15 minutes away.
That is nice. Do you walk here or do you take the bus?
I usually walk here. I like walking. Do you walk here?
Yes, I walk here too. Walking is good exercise.
Yes, walking is very good for health.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books. I also like to listen to music.
That is wonderful. I like to read books too.
Really? What kind of books do you like?
I like many kinds of books. I like storybooks.
I like storybooks too. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is about adventures. What is your favorite book?
I like romance books. I also like mystery books.
Mystery books are very interesting. Do you go to the library?
Yes, I go to the library often. The library is very quiet.
I like the library too. It is a good place to study.
Yes, it is. Do you study often?
Yes, I study English every day. I want to improve my English.
Your English is very good already.
Thank you. You are very kind. I am still learning.
We are all learning. Learning is good.
Yes, learning is very good. What do you study?
I study languages. I like learning new languages.
That is amazing. How many languages do you speak?
I speak two languages, English and a little bit of French.
French is a beautiful language. I want to learn French too.
You should try. It is not very difficult.
Maybe you can teach me sometime.
Maybe. That would be nice.
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I like many kinds of music. I like pop music and classical music.
I like pop music too. Who is your favorite singer?
I have many favorite singers. I like singers with good voices.
Me too. Music makes me happy.
Yes, music makes me happy too. Music is wonderful.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I do not play any instruments. Do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar a little bit. Just a little.
That is wonderful. The guitar is a beautiful instrument.
Thank you. I am still learning. I practice every week.
Practice is very important. You must practice often.
Yes, you are right. Practice makes perfect.
That is true. Practice makes perfect.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies very much. I watch movies often.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic movies and funny movies. What about you?
I like action movies and funny movies.
Funny movies are the best. They make me laugh.
Yes, laughing is good. Laughter is important.
I agree. Laughter makes life better.
Did you watch any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched a movie last week. It was very good.
What was it about?
It was about friendship and love. It was very touching.
That sounds beautiful. I want to watch it.
You should watch it. I think you will like it.
Maybe we can watch a movie together sometime.
Maybe. That could be fun.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, I like the cinema. The screen is very big.
Yes, the big screen is nice. The sound is good too.
The popcorn is also very good at the cinema.
I love popcorn. Do you like sweet popcorn or salty popcorn?
I like salty popcorn. What about you?
I like both. Sweet and salty are both good.
Yes, both are delicious.
Take care, Emma.
Take care, Tom. See you next week.
Yes, see you next week. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. Have a nice evening.
You too. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. Walk safely.
I will. You too.
I will. Talk to you soon.
Yes, very soon. I will message you tonight.
Okay, I will be waiting.
Goodbye, Emma.
Goodbye, Tom.